Hello my dear friends, I am an Acqua di Gio lover and of course I couldn't stay out and I bought the new Acqua di Gio EDP Intense. It is right here, so together we're gonna have the unboxing and first impression. Let's go! Also, so many people are saying the new Acqua di Gio EDP Intense has plenty of vibes from Acqua di Gio Absolu, which by the way I love it, and also some vibes from EDP. I have 10 ml right here, which I use some, and let's see what's the deal with this fragrance. Alright, so let's unbox this, and here is the new Acqua di Gio Eau de Parfum Intense. Alright, so the bottle is like that. I like this bottle. We don't have the magnetic cap, but still okay-ish, but I wish it had the magnetic cap. Let's do it. I can see the vibes from this one, but let's spray this. No, these are not identicals. No, I rather say the new EDP Intense has plenty of vibes from Absolu, but it's not one for one with Absolu. Plenty of vibes there, so I rather say if you have the original Eau de Parfum, it's like the original Eau de Parfum with some Absolu vibes, but this is just in the opening, yeah. So as I'm being honest all the time, if I had to choose between this and this, so far I think I would choose Absolu, but also Intense doesn't smell bad at all. So it smells nice, you know, it smells nice, but Absolu smells better. If you are a big fan of the Acqua di Gio Absolu, just buy a bottle of Absolu from somewhere, I don't know, just eBay or whatever. But also I can see the vibes from the EDP, like, you know, some sage vibes there, whatever. Some, let's spray EDP. EDP, of course, is a different fragrance. So this is just a first impression. This is not the main review, let's say. Acqua di Gio Eau de Parfum Intense doesn't smell bad at all. And Acqua di Gio DNA is still there. Aquatic, citrusy, you know. But this is a bit like, you know, with some green vibes there. And of course, as any Acqua di Gio, this EDP Intense smells very, very nice. I am thinking if I had to choose between EDP OG and Intense, I would choose Intense. But I'm looking forward anyway to test this fragrance in the real life, so the review will be in a couple of days. This is just the first impression, so until next time, take care of you guys. Bye bye.